progesterone.
Something. Yeah, it was hell getting her to ovulate.
He doesn't have one piece of tan on him. Nothing. He's too colored.
Remember, he's not really black.
Yes, he is.
You think so?
Oh, yes. I couldn't get over that Joe thought his was chocolate.
Whose?
The dad.
Oh, well, Groot, he's definitely got brown in him. Yeah, he's got some, he's a black tribe for sure. Trindle. Black Trindle.
Well, anyway, I like this guy.
Girl? Huh? Yeah? And your baby? How's your baby? You got a cute Bella little spot there.
Stop recording it and then...
Stop streaming, not recording. You're not recording.
I did stop streaming.
Doozy here. Homeowner had his buddy put this furnace in. Anyway, we're gonna fix this sheet metal and get this right. Yeah, these old metal coil pans. This baby's been around a while. Alright, so this is why we don't have our friends put our furnaces in. You got to deal with this now. Filter cover. Compromised. You got a horrible... I won't even mention the name, but that filter's way too restrictive. Too small for this furnace. This furnace should have a base put underneath it and a larger filter drawing through the bottom and the side to allow this furnace to run cooler. I'm sure nobody did a temperature rise. That plug's drawing dirt right through. Well, the only place it could come from is outside because it's a sealed burner box, but that plug needs to get put back in there. This furnace obviously didn't have any temperature rises being done or checked on it because I've never seen tubular Goodman that scorched. Well, it's not even that old of a furnace. This should have been a 60,000 for sure. It's running way too hot. And static pressure's probably off the charts with that filter that's too small and that pleated filter in there. So, the most important thing when putting in a furnace is sizing and then checkout. And neither one of those things got done on this, I can guarantee you that. You can peek up in here, that doesn't look good. I don't know what that thing is. Big hole with a chunk of wood, so I'll cut a piece of metal and put that up there as a courtesy. Got that all patched up. Still a coil on. Hopefully that'll fit in there. Went in the disconnect here and checked all my connections. The black wires were both a little loose in the lug there, so we tightened those up. And we'll put this back together and run our line set and get going. Nightmare of a day. We had a power steering leak on my big truck, so we just took that to the shop. EJ measured this one, said I need a 25-foot line set. Not true. It was actually, I measured it was right at 30 feet. So he brings me a 35-foot line set. We just ran it out. Look at that, brand new line set. The little line is about 8 feet shorter than the big line, and it's probably 2 feet short of what I need. So he's got to go now to where he just dropped my truck off at the shop and grab a couple feet off line set. Alright, this is one of those R4A 5 units, 15 SEER. I doubt we'll get 15 SEER because we couldn't rate it with our Goodman furnace in there, but yeah, due to that compressor shortage, this is what we got available in a 3-ton. Couldn't even get a 3.5 ton. The other day we ended up selling that C series unit, but this looks good. Just pretty much the same unit, but the screen around it isn't as beefy as our normal N4A, and certainly not like the hail guard on the C4A, which is a discontinued model, but we got one of them the other day. It was on closeout. Yeah, it's horrible. Busiest, hottest summer on record, and busiest year ever in the 17 years I've been in business. And yeah, the last 3 months are record months, doing 2 to 3 times the volume of any other month in the last 17 years. Crazy busy. And now we got a shortage of equipment due to COVID outbreak in the Copeland compressor factory. That's what they're telling me. Yeah, so ICP is the manufacturer on this guy. Carrier's parent company bought ICP about 20 years ago. In today's world, ICP is identical to Carrier and Bryant. So this is that R4A 5 unit, 15 SEER. And you can see this Heil over here is pretty much the same cabinet with a different hail guard on there. And yeah, Heil, My Day and Night, 3, 4, 5 other names all go on the front of these ICP units. So yeah, pressure testing. We got on there 155. I've been going about 200, 220.
You've been doing?
That's alright. Whatever. If you got a leak right now, it's pretty darn small because it ain't going anywhere. And we ain't never going to find a leak that's not going to present itself here within 5 minutes. We got our new case coil in there. This thing looks a lot better than it did. We're just going to fire it up, check it out. Never seen this little park here, right off of Radio Drive here behind Silverwood Road. I can't remember the name of it, but a little sweet little park here, right in the middle of Woodbury. Beautiful lots that back up to this little stretch here. That city was just out mowing. We're almost dialed in. Dentist appointment this afternoon.